I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the phone has basic power and access. Plug in the original cable if needed and unlock the device. Open Settings and go straight to Battery or Device Care, because that menu contains diagnostic tools. Once there, select Battery Health or the three-dot menu for battery details. This reveals capacity percentage and usage history. You do this now to get a baseline reading. Accurate state information helps you decide whether calibration, replacement, or software fixes are necessary. Once you've opened Battery Health, review the maximum capacity percentage versus design capacity so you know how much life is left. Then inspect charge cycles, recorded temperatures, and which apps caused recent drain. This explains whether issues are software or physical. Make sure to run the built-in diagnostics or the Huawei high-care battery test to perform stress checks. These produce pass/fail metrics and logs. If tests show abnormal temperatures or rapid voltage drops, note timestamps and reproduce the scenario for troubleshooting. Finally, act on what you found. If maximum capacity is below roughly 80% or diagnostics report failures, plan for a replacement through an authorized service. If numbers are borderline, try calibration by charging fully, discharging to around 5–10%, then charging to 100% and rebooting. This can fix reporting errors. Make sure to back up data before service. If the phone overheats, shows voltage anomalies, or diagnostics fail repeatedly, contact Huawei support with timestamps and test logs for warranty or repair guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.